Hello. In this video, we will take a closer look at a metric within the Model Traffic Light Metrics dashboard. This metric is showing us the number of families that are over 3 megabytes within our organization for the past 7 days. Let's edit it to take a look under the hood. On the top right, we'll click on Edit. We can hover over the visualization and click on the Edit Visualization button, and then click on Edit in Lens to bring us to the full Lens interface. Here, we can see that we're taking data from the Revit event index. The metric we're showing is coming from the file.name field, and we're looking at the unique count of file.name. Further, there's a filter applied here saying action name is one of existing family, family, or new family. We can click on it and edit filter to see how that's created. As mentioned, we're looking at the field action.name. We set it to is one of, and we set 3 parameters for which we want to grab information from. Let's build this from scratch. Going into our Visualize library, we can click on Create a Visualization, select Lens. Within Lens, we have a similar interface to what we saw in Discover. We have indices on the top left, we have the KQL syntax filter data query in the top middle, and the time range in the top right. As well, we have our fields on the left. In this case, we're going to be creating a metric visualization. Click here where it says bar and select metric. Then we can simply select our file.name field and drag it into our primary metric. Already it is creating a unique count of file.name. This is showing us the count of all the file names within the last 7 days, not just families. To filter just for families, we can click on the plus icon here and add a filter. We can select action.name is one of, and we'll set that to existing family, family, and new family. We'll add the filter. Now, this is showing us the count of all the families across the organization. We want to add an additional filter to filter for families that are above a certain file size. For that, we can use the KQL syntax. We will write in the field file.size, and we can click on it to autocomplete. In this case, we'll write is greater than 3. This is filtering for families that are only above 3 megabytes. By clicking on primary metric, we can change the name that appears. There you have it. Our Traffic Light Metrics dashboard is already showing us a metric showing how many families are over 3 megabytes. Say you want to create a specific visualization for your company showing how many families are over 10 megabytes. We can simply edit the KQL query, press enter, and we've updated this metric. Don't forget to rename it so it reflects the change we made. Families over 10 megabytes. And in the top right, you can save it, add it to an existing dashboard, or just simply add it to your library. Simple as that. This metric uses a combination of filters and KQL queries to hone in on your data and return the number of individual families that are over 10 megabytes across your organization. Continue watching to learn more about Bimbeats and Kibana to get actionable insights from your data. If you have any questions, thoughts, or comments, talk with us through our Discourse forum, link below. Have a good one.